In exercise 4, we're going to convert the following verbs into the future tense. So, you're going to see that number 1, the verb is call. In the word call, when it becomes a future verb, we use the word will. Will call. So you're going to see that the base word stays the same, but we include the word will before the verb to turn it into a future tense verb. So in number 2, the word is chop. We will add will chop. In number 3, we have the word wash. We will add will wash. In number 4, we have visit. Will visit. In number 5, we have touch. And we will add will touch. Number 6 is trade. Will trade. Number 7 is switch. We add will and then the base word switch. Number 8 is scare. We add will scare. So let's review these examples. The word is call. The future tense is will call. The verb is chop. The future tense is will chop. Number 3 is wash. The future tense will be will wash. Number 4 is visit. Will visit. Number 5 is touch. Will touch. Number 6 is trade. Will trade. Number 7 is switch. Will switch. Number 8 is scare. Will scare. Now you're going to continue practicing on your own. And remember, all we need to do is add the word will before the verb to turn it into a future tense. Good luck.